All right, so we're out here working on deer property. Well, I'm here in Taylor. We've had an ice storm today, so I had the day off of school. Still, the truck's all covered. Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. So we're going to talk about Silky red dogwood and Osier red dogwood. So up at our property, when we were up there earlier in the week, the deer have been browsing our dogwood, but I cut a bunch. So I found out, not to my surprise, that I have both kinds. So the one on the right is the Silky dogwood. The one on the left is the Osier red dogwood. And they are obviously both red dogwoods. The deer browse them both heavily at my property. So because I got a lab that's chewing up all the little pieces I've trimmed off, because I plan on planting more cuttings, and once you start cutting, you're going to make extras. So I'm going to make a bunch of cuttings, and I'm going to be selling some on Marketplace here in Michigan, but I'm going to root them all. So hang loose for a second, and I'll show you what I've done. So I just took some gallon jugs, cut the top off, and I started this project a month ago. So let's go inside. So I started this project a month ago, and you can see that I already have lots of leaves. I think every one of these has got leaves on it someplace. This one might not. Even this great big branch has got a green leaf right there. So they all seem to have leaves, and we're going to let them root. I'm getting some white. Don't want to pull them all out here, but I am getting some white roots started down in there, you can see. And that took me a little over a month. To get roots going in the on the inside here. So these ones here come from down the street. I don't know that there's a difference. I got the wife's flowers here in the front window. My mom's orchid, she passed away, but it's getting ready to bloom. So we're going to root all these, and we're going to sell them as rooted red dogwoods for working on your deer property. So, you know, if you want rooted red dogwoods, I'm going to list them on Marketplace. We'll see how this all goes. I'm really amazed at how big some of them have gotten. See all them bumps? Them bumps are the roots coming out. None of them bumps were there. So we'll see what we end up with. So anyhow, so like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. It helps the algorithm. The channel's been doing well. I just do what I want on my channel. So did a video today on 45 ACPs. Doing one now on red dogwoods for your deer property. I don't care. I'm doing what I want. And do what you should. God bless you. God bless America.